Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your WhatsApp with email address. So guys, if you want to log in or sign in your WhatsApp with phone number and facing the issue that a verification code is not received on your phone number, and guys, after this you want to verify your WhatsApp with email address. So guys, how can you do this? So guys, simply you can do this. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now you can see I have verified my WhatsApp with my email address. So guys, simply you can do this. So guys, when you enter your password, enter your phone number to verification, then guys, you will option of email address at below. You need to click on verify with another way, and guys, when you clicking on that option, then guys, another way, then guys, you will find the option of call and guys Gmail address as well. And guys, simply you need to click on that Gmail address, and guys, after this you need to enter your Gmail address, and guys, WhatsApp team will send you OTP on your Gmail, and guys, after this you will be able to verify your Gmail with WhatsApp. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.